Today we're going to be adding a course description to our course. And we're actually going to be adding two versions of that. We're going to add the enrolled view and the unenrolled view. So for this demonstration, we're actually bringing 9 courses over from a different system into LifterLMS. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to bring all the course descriptions over. So the way that works is I'm just going to a course details page here. I'm going to copy all of that, and then I'm going to head on over to my courses on my Lifter site. I'm going to find that course that I'm setting up. Now keep in mind, if you're not transferring from a different system, you could just start typing in the course description right here and get going. Now keep in mind that with LifterLMS there are 2 versions of the course description. You can see the enrolled student description and the non-enrolled student description. So the non-enrolled student description is more like a sales page, whereas the enrolled view, you may want to have completely different information, just a shorter description. You could have webinar call-in details that only people enrolled in the course could see. You can use these 2 versions of the same page in any way that you can think of that would be of value to your situation. So in this case, I just copied stuff over. I'm going to actually paste in right there and switch it back over to the visual editor. You can see here where this video is not playable because in my Vimeo account I have it set up to only be playable on organiclifeguru.com, and that's a security setting. So you can see here in our staging site in WP Engine that that's not allowed in Vimeo, so therefore this video can't play there. That's a privacy setting. But just to look at this a little bit, we've got a video at the top of our course description. We've got a course overview here. We've got some bold text. We've got some description text, and just more information about the instructor, about the publisher, and we've got a testimonial here. So pretty basic course description for the non-enrolled or sales page. And for this particular example, what we're going to do is we're going to just take this smaller course overview without the video and without everything else and paste that into the enrolled view, so that if you're already inside the course, you don't have to look at as much information. And we're going to update that and see what it looks like on the front end. So if we go to our course, now you can see this is this particular user is enrolled, so he's getting the short version of the course description. But if I were to view this as a visitor, you can see I'm getting the long version of the description. Now we don't have any lessons yet, and this other information isn't filled out yet, and our our lesson syllabus is not showing up here. But that is just a quick tour on how to add a course description and 2 versions of it to your LifterLMS course.